Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Cameron and Nelson Rose. This is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a double Charleston. Now, knowing how to do First Move Charleston Kicks is vital before you attempt to do this one. It's a really sweet variation on it, but it requires really good lead and follow between the lady and the guy if you want to do it lead and follow. But of course you could always do it as a little bit of choreography if you fancied it. In a normal First Move Charleston Kicks, the guy steps would go rock, step, kick, double, kick, back to the rock step. All we're going to do is double each of the bits, but it's a question of when you double them. So what will happen is you end up with rock, step, front and front, forward, back, goes back to the rock step. Let's get that into our feet and legs first, and then we'll try it with the partner. So if we all face the front, what we're looking for is a double rock step. So guys are going to go left, ladies go right. Obviously you watch the appropriate pair of feet. We go rock, step and repeat it. Rock, step. We get the kick to the front that would normally be there. We retract it and kick it again and put it down. Then we do what would be the normal set on the guys right, ladies left. So we get front, lift, behind, but instead of putting it down, we go lift, front, lift, behind. Now we put it down and then we can repeat it. So we get rock, step, kick, retract, kick, down, kick, lift, behind, lift, in front, lift, behind, down. Now in a normal Charleston we'd count 8 counts as we go through. From a modern jive point of view, that's actually the numbers to 4 with the ands in. So normally we get something where you'd think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or you could think of it as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's how it works. When we do this doubled up, obviously we're going to get through the 8s twice. So if we face the front together, and we'll think numbers as we do it. So we get our rock step, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we get kick to the front, 5, retract 6, kick it again 7 and down 8. And now the second half, we kick to the front 1, lift it 2, kick it behind 3, lift it 4, kick it in front 5, lift it 6, kick it behind 7, put it down 8. Okay, if we do that to numbers nice and slow, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that a couple more times and we'll do it to words instead of numbers, just to make sure we're dead happy, and then we'll put it together. So we get 7, 8, rock, step, kick and kick, forward, back, rock, step, kick and kick, forward, back, back to the rock step, and we can carry on from there. So how many you would want to do in freestyle is up to you. What you might want to do is you might want to do a normal Charleston, do one set of the double in the middle as a feature, and then go back to normal Charleston. We're going to give you 2 sets in a row because it's quite a lot, just to give you a chance to get a little bit of practice, but obviously you do it how you want to do it in the freestyle. So put together, it's going to look like this. It goes 7 and 8, back, in, rock, step, kick and kick, forward, back, rock, step, kick and kick, forward, back. Then it's just finish as you would a normal First Move Charleston Kicks. So nice and slow, let's do this thing. Man's left, ladies right, semicircle back, starts like a normal Charleston. We come in, we twist out, collect the back, we get our rock step, but we shift the weight again to get rock, step. We get the kick to the front, and instead of going straight down, we come back and take it out again and pop it down. Now we get the second half, so we go forwards, back, forwards, back, pop it down, and we get rock, step, forwards, forwards, down, forwards, back, down. And this next thing could be a rock step, but we're going to treat it as our twist out to finish the first move off, all the way around, return and back. So let's think numbers. We go back 1, in 2, and we're straight in now, because what we're going to do is we're going to rock 3 and 4. We're going to kick 5 and 6. We're going to kick front 7, back 8, front 1, back 2, rock 3 and 4, kick 5 and 6, front 7, 8, forward 1 and 2, twist out 3, in 4, turning 5, facing 6, returning 7 and back 8. And obviously I went back to normal modern jive counting as opposed to counting the numbers and hands. So assuming you've practiced a little bit, let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, double Charleston, back, in, rock step, front, forward, back, rock step, forward, front, back, finishing, twist, turn, face, return and back. Oh yes, it does work. It is tricky to lead. If you are a good follower, ladies, and you meet a stranger, he's going to have to be a blooming awesome lead for you to be able to do that, having never done it before. But I guarantee it is possible. Okay. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Everyone who subscribes is helping boost the channel, so big thank you to everyone who does that. A notification bell means you get told every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice this to. Basically it would be a music video of a tune that this would work well for. And as always, hope you enjoy it and we'll see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.